Namaskar and good morning to all of you. Professor Chandra, welcome to you. Um, Professor Pankaj Chandra is the Vice Chancellor of Ahmedabad University. He was the Director of the IIM Bangalore and Professor of Operations and Technology Management at IIM Ahmedabad. He has been a full-time tenured faculty at McGill University and IIM Ahmedabad and a visiting professor at various universities overseas. He has served on several committees of Government of India and currently serves on policy committees related to the new education policy as well on international supply chain resilience. Professor Chandra's research and teaching interests include manufacturing management, supply chain coordination, building technological capabilities, and higher education policy. His recent book titled Building Universities That Matter studies issues of governance, change, and institution building in Indian universities. He is involved in building a liberal arts driven research university and within it a school of performing and visual arts. So, Professor Chandra, thank you once again for agreeing to deliver this lecture. Over to you.